It's your boy Big Bear, Big Bear, Big Bear, Big Bear. I got a brain fart, I got a brain fart. Oh yeah, but let me get it back right now. I'll bring you guys the unboxing right there of the Elite Series 2 Core Pro Controller from Xbox. Hey, I gotta say, these controllers is very, very cool. You know what I'm saying? Because my first edition right there, well, my second edition of the regular Elite Series 2 controller right there is worn out. You guys see the button right there? The thumbstick is worn out, the rubber's gone. I gotta get some more rubber grips. And that's what I say. This is the core. This is featuring without the, you know, gadgets and little gizmos with the little charger pack and the extra accessories what you get with it, like you get in the regular Series 2 controller. I'm saying real raw and uncut. So yeah, let me open it up right here, show you guys what's in here, because I know, oh my gosh, it is looking very clean, baby. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that right there, y'all. This controller is looking clean. Yeah. Woo! Okay, as I show you guys real raw and uncut, up and close personal of the Series 2 Pro Controller, real raw and uncut, the core. Oh yes. Like I said, it looks the same as the last one that Xbox released, but you get a white color, real raw and uncut, and it's looking pretty much clean. Yes, indeed, y'all. All the maneuvers, all the clear buttons up on here looking very nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now let's turn it around and show you guys what the back looks like. Yeah, so this thing is looking nice, and it has the same functionalities as this one right here, but it's a white color, real raw and uncut, and you get shorter thumbsticks right there, which I do love these thumbsticks, because I don't like the big ones, because I think the thumbsticks that are really small, you know, help you maneuver around more. But you know what I'm saying, but if you got some fat ass fingers, that's your daggone fault. So yeah, love you guys out there. So as you guys can see, you can take it off and you can adjust it right there, and I think it comes with some accessories. So let's see what we got going on in this box. Here we go right there, real raw and uncut. Let's see what's in here. I'm pretty sure, I was hoping we were supposed to get like a little screwdriver or something like that, but I'll find it though. So you get a cord right there, real raw and uncut. So yeah, so here's the little screwdriver so you guys can tune your thumbsticks on your Elite Series 2 Pro Controller, you know what I'm saying, core, real raw and uncut, as you guys already know. Yeah, you can take it right there and you can put it in here like this, real raw and uncut, and you can actually lock it down and tune it to your specifications of what you want on this core controller right there, Series 2 right there, real raw and uncut. And speaking of that, I don't know where my triggers are. You guys already say my triggers is missing. So let's see where they at. Let's see. Where you at, triggers? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Because if you're not in here, oh. So are the triggers missing? So is this what they're doing? Is this what you're doing, Xbox? Is this what you're doing? So is that what the core is? You don't get no triggers? Oh my gosh. Y'all, thank y'all for checking out my unboxing of the core controller, real raw and uncut. Apparently I might have to take my other triggers off until I get me some replacement ones to go with these ones. But yeah, love y'all out there. Oh yeah.
Holiday, Halloween. Holiday, holiday, Halloween. Halloween. Holiday, holiday, holiday. Holiday, Halloween. Halloween, Halloween, holiday, Halloween.